Hi class, I am Teacher Josephine, but you can call me Teacher Jo. Today we're going to discuss the lights and sound. Before we start, we're going to read the objective. First, identify the light and sound. Second, explain the light and sound. So, let's start to our topic. What is light and sound? Sound is a form of energy that creates a sensation of hearing originating from a vibrating object and traveling as mechanical waves through the medium such as a gas, liquid, or solid. What is light? Light is the visible to the human eye. It is consists of the photons, which are tiny particles that carry energy. Light travels in waves. Light is energy is a room of electromagnetic radiation of the wave which can be seen by human eye. Light is consists of the photons which are produced when an object atoms heat up. Light travels in the waves and is the only from the energy visible to the human eye. Light's energy is using to help us see either the naturally using the sun or fire or which the made object like candles or light bulbs. Light's energy is also used by the plants which capture the light energy from the sun and use it. These are the example of light. Candle. Candle is artificial light source. Next, sun, the natural light source. Definition. Sound is a form of energy that travels through a medium such as air, water, or solid, as the vibration of waves. There are the example of sounds. First, bird song. Second, ocean wave. Third, rainfall. Fourth, alarm clock. Fifth, vacuum cleaner. Next, dog barking. Next, cow mooing. Next, heartbeat. These are the example of sound. The picture of the clock, the picture of the drum, the picture of the wave. And again, the sound is a type of energy travels of the water, air, and another material. That's all for today. Thank you, thank you, thank you.